Okay, we're taking you to a different story altogether. Yesterday, we saw the INDIA opposition on the stage in the Ram Leela Maidan. And it seems as if the BJP has now approached the Election Commission against a speech that Rahul Gandhi gave at the Ram Leela Maidan yesterday. Remember, these key leaders from the INDIA opposition, they came together yesterday to protest the action that's been taken by the Enforcement Directorate against Arvind Kejriwal, the Delhi Chief Minister. He became the first sitting Chief Minister to be arrested without conviction. Just take a look at what the BJP had to say right now.
आज हमने इलेक्शन कमीशन के सामने कई मुद्दे रखे। इनमें से दो ऐसे इश्यूज हैं जिसके बारे में थोड़ी आपके साथ इसके बारे में जानकारी देना चाहूंगा। एक तो कल रामलीला मैदान में जो I फुल स्टॉप N फुल स्टॉप D फुल स्टॉप I फुल स्टॉप A अलायंस की एक मीटिंग हुई रामलीला मैदान में, उसके दौरान श्री राहुल गांधी जी ने कई ऐसी बातें की जो अपने आप में बहुत ऑब्जेक्शनेबल है और इनकी अगर इम्प्लीकेशंस देखिए जो उन्होंने कहा वो और भी सीरियस है। उन्होंने कहा कि ये फिक्स्ड मैच है। आप सब क्रिकेट गेम के साथ फेमिलियर है। फिक्स्ड मैच क्या होता है कि अंपायर भी आपका होता है और जो है ना मैच का जो नतीजा है वो पहले से ही तय कर दिया गया हुआ। इन्होंने और क्या कहा कि सरकार ने, केंद्रीय सरकार ने अपने लोग बैठा दिए हैं इलेक्शन कमीशन में और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीन के बगैर चुनाव जीता नहीं जा सकता। अब श्री राहुल गांधी जी को यह पूछना चाहिए कि जब आपकी पार्टी कुछ ऐसे राज्यों में सफल रही, उस समय क्या कोई अलग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वोटिंग मशीनें थी? और ये ईवीएम्स की जो बात है ये कई बार उठाई जा चुकी है और इलेक्शन कमीशन ने भी इसका मजाक उड़ाया है और बोला कि ये बिल्कुल बेबुनियाद है एंड देयर इज नो एविडेंस टू से कि ईवीएम के साथ टैंपरिंग हो भी सकती है। बहुत एक्सपर्ट्स को भी बुला के पूछा गया है और उन्होंने जांच की है इसके बारे में। उसके बारे में उन्होंने और कहा कि ये संविधान जो है हमारा, इसके जो संविधान में जो हमारे भारतीय भाइयों और बहनों को जो राइट्स मिलते हैं।
Okay, let's go over to our colleague Payal to understand more about what the BJP has had to say about Rahul Gandhi's comments at the Ram Leela Maidan yesterday. Payal, over to you.
Well, the BJP in fact has gone to the Election Commission against the objectionable remarks that Rahul Gandhi had made at Ram Leela Maidan. He essentially accused the BJP of match fixing, he accused the BJP of following unfair means as well. That is something which the BJP is really raked up because the BJP feels that this is a very unfair comment that is being made by the Congress MP, and that's something which is snowballed into a huge controversy. And you saw a response coming in from the BJP leaders also yesterday when in fact Union Minister Kiran Rijiju was speaking to us. Even then he made a mention saying that the best match fixing that Rahul Gandhi probably has done is he's done it with the Communist Party of China. So that's the kind of response that has come in. But with the fact that Rahul Gandhi spoke about this and cast aspersions on the conduct of the BJP, that's the reason they decided to approach Election Commission, because remember the model code of conduct is in place and the custodian right now is of course the Election Commission, and the Election Commission time and again has cautioned political parties to. Remember in that Election Commission date announcing PC also multiple times the Election Commissioner, the Chief Election Commissioner kept on appealing to the political parties to be very careful of what they say in the public domain and to make sure that they do not cross that political discourse and do not lower the political discourse. But it seems there seems to be no end as far as that is really concerned, because political leaders have been making allegations against each other from either side.